फिल्म का नाम है ओमेटा। रिलीज़ हो रही है 20 अप्रैल को। और ओमेटा का मतलब होता है जब दो लोगों के बीच में एक साइलेंस बना होता है किसी चीज़ को लेकर, वो शेयर नहीं करते हैं बाहर, तो उसको गैंगस्टर टर्म में ओमेटा कहते हैं। और ये कहानी है ओमर सईद शेख की और इस जैसे बहुत लड़कों की जो ब्रेन वॉश होकर ऐसी टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटीज़ को अंजाम देते हैं। और स्पेशली ओमर, क्योंकि दुनिया में पिछले 15 साल में जो भी बड़ी इंटरनेशनल टेररिज्म की एक्टिविटीज़ हुई हैं, भले ही वो 9/11 हो अमेरिका में, मुंबई में 26/11 हो, कांधार हाईजैक हो, डैनियल पर्ल हो पाकिस्तान में जो उनकी किडनैपिंग और किलिंग थी, उस सब में उमर का हाथ रहा है। तो एक ऐसी दुनिया की कहानी है जिसके बारे में हमें ज़्यादा मालूमात नहीं है। और इसको बनाया हंसल सर ने, हंसल मेहता ने, जिनके साथ हम मैंने पहले भी कुछ फिल्म्स की हैं। एंड जिन लोगों ने देखी उनका कहना है कि ये ओमेटा हंसल सर की बेस्ट फिल्म है आज तक की। तो 20 अप्रैल को आ रही है। यस, इट्स अ थ्रिलर। या
So how much preparation is needed when you portray someone's character?
You need a lot of preparation, especially when you do a film like Omerta, because it's based on a real life character, and that to somebody I could not connect with at all. There was no connection I could find with him that I could start with. So I really had to start from the scratch. मुझे पहले I had to read a lot of books, I had to watch a lot of documentaries and watch a lot of disturbing videos. And it's a dark space. It's a very dark world. The things that these guys do. So I had to cultivate like a lot of hatred and anger inside me to understand his psyche, where he's coming from, what is he doing, why is he doing what he's doing. And I was also in London for 3 weeks to learn the accent, to understand the culture there, and also grew my beard for 3 months, gained some weight, built some muscles to look like him.
So how supportive is Anshul sir?
He is the most supportive guy. I think he is. He waited for 2-3 months for me to, get inside his psyche, to understand him as a character. So he's one of the most supportive directors that I've worked with.
Okay, so what made you to do this type of character in movies? What was the one reason?
As actors, we get very fascinated with villains sometimes. Like you've seen it in past, like Shah Rukh sir, be it Bazigar or Dar, or Ramir sir in Earth, 1947, Sanju Baba in Khalnayak, or recently Ranveer in Padmavat. There's something edgy about these, villains that we get attracted to as artists. I think I don't know, it's the power that these guys have, or it's the limitless approach that these guys have that we want to explore. So same with me. I think I wanted to explore this villain inside me, because I've always done either grey characters or good boys. There's something different I wanted to explore, and Omerta gave me that opportunity.
विजेता के साथ आपने 4 फिल्में की हैं, तो उनकी स्क्रिप्ट में या एज अ डायरेक्टर में क्या एक ऐसा सब्सटेंस आपको सबसे पसंद है? पिछले 5 सालों में आपने 4 फिल्में की हैं।
उनके साथ डेफिनेटली एक ट्रस्ट फैक्टर तो है ही, जो हम शेयर करते हैं। और क्योंकि हमने शाहिद से शुरुआत की थी साथ में, और कहीं ना कहीं दोनों इवॉल्व हुए, शाहिद से एक ग्रोथ आया। तो एक बहुत मोर देन प्रोफेशनल, एक्चुअली इट्स बिकमिंग पर्सनल नाउ। ही इज़ लाइक माई फैमिली नाउ, समबडी आई कैन ब्लाइंडली ट्रस्ट, समबडी आई लुक अप टू। और उनकी जो भी फिल्में होती हैं, मैं तो उनसे ये एक अनसेट डील है कि आपकी जो भी फीचर फिल्म होगी उसमें यू हैव टू टेक मी। हालांकि सिमरन में आई वॉज नॉट देयर बिकॉज ही थॉट आई वॉज नॉट नीडेड, विच again I totally respect him because he thought I was not needed in that film. But whenever there will be a chance where he thinks I'm the right candidate for that part in his film, I know I'll always be there.
राजकुमार जी के हर एक मूवी एक्टर कुछ ना कुछ सिखाती, तो ये मूवी से आपको क्या सीखा मिला?
नहीं, ऐसा कहने की बात है कि हर फिल्म को इतना कुछ सिखाती है, ऐसे ज़रूरी नहीं है हर फिल्म को इतना कुछ सिखाए। पर ओमेरता ने ऑफ कोर्स मुझे इट्स काइंड ऑफ एन आई ओपनर, इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ ग्रेट लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस टू know about a world that is very much there present, and that is of course affecting each and every one of our lives, and we don't know nothing about it. To figure out the history and the reasons and the things that these guys do and why they do that was a great learning experience.
On a very lighter note, do you miss the heroine part in the film?
No, not really. There is a girl in the film. Her name is Urvana. She's playing my wife in the film. She's from Delhi, lovely girl, but we don't. It's a villain story. When villain is there, you don't need anyone. You just need the villain. Yeah.
Okay, the last one, what message do you want to give to the audience, especially the fans of Rajkumar Rao who loves his work, who loves his performance, why they come and be a part of Omar?
It's a very unique film. It's a thriller. It's quite engaging, and the kind of feedback we got from a lot of festivals, it's overwhelming. So it's coming now on 20th April, and as I was telling you earlier, people say it's Hansal sir's best work, and also they think it's my best work as well. So yeah, being very humble, but I think you should come and experience it for yourself, and then give us your feedback.
ओके, राजकुमार ईशान खट्टर की भी मूवी में ही
wishes you want to wish because it's a
Yeah, I really I adore him. I think he's a great guy. I saw him first in Urta Punjab, where he has got a really small part, and I remember telling him, okay, even in that small part, he was so good. There was so much of energy that he put in, and I really enjoyed Beyond the Clouds trailer, and I wish him good luck. I'm sure he has a great future ahead.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.